Hello guys, welcome back to my channel NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you on how to factory reset or hard reset your Samsung Galaxy Tab S4. This particular model is a GSM model, but it should work on any models. The two buttons you will need to perform the factory reset are located on the side, which are the power and the volume up key. You want to press and hold both buttons at the same time until the tablet comes on. Once it does, release just the power. Keep holding the volume up key. You want to wait until the recovery screen comes up by pressing this button. Once you get to the screen right here, you want to use the volume keys to select the Wipe Data Factory Reset option. Then you want to press the power key to select it. You want to scroll down to yes and press the power key again. Then you want to do the wipe cache partition. You want to scroll down to that, press the power key, same thing, down to yes, press that. Then you can go ahead and reboot your device. This is it guys, this concludes our tutorial for today. If you found this video helpful to you, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching.